My name is Vidunram A R. My roll number is 21EE30033. In TinkerCAD, I have made a circuit in which a remote is giving an input to an IR sensor, and using the input taken, an output is displayed on this LCD display. The components used include an Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, a resistor, a potentiometer, an IR sensor, an LCD display, and an IR remote. I have used two headers in this code. The first one is irremote.hpp, which is used for the IR sensor, and the second one is liquidcrystal.h, which is used for the LCD. There are three variables used. The first one is string s, which is used for the output string, int I, which stores the value from the user, and raw input, which is the input from the IR sensor before processing. First, we set up the IR receiver, that is the IR sensor, and the LCD. Inside the loop, we first check if the IR receiver has received any new input. If it has, we update the value of raw input as the new input from the IR receiver. Using switch case, I perform a set of operations using raw input. It can be like using the value of I to extend the value of string, resetting the string, or changing the value of I itself. After this is done, the LCD is cleared and the string S and the input values are printed respectively. We can verify this, and as you can see, it is loading. There are no errors. The sketch uses 35% of the program space and 25% of memory.
Now that the code is ready, let us run the simulation. The input is mainly given to the number buttons 0 to 9 and sent to the string using the forward button. Each letter has an input value like 1 for A, 2 for B, and so on. In case you make a mistake in the input value, press the ST/REPT button to set the value of input to 0. If you press forward with 0 input, it adds a hyphen to the string. Numbers can be added too, with input value 50 greater than the number, like 50 for 0, 51 for 1, 52 for 2, and 53 for 3. In case you have to delete the last character, press the backward button. Finally, to clear the string, press the function/stop button. On pressing this button, the input value resets to 0 as well. The string has a maximum size of 16 characters. Once it has 16 characters, it will not accept any other input unless the last character or the whole string is deleted. Like you just saw, it did not accept any more input after the whole string was complete. This project has given me insight on how TVs and set-top boxes use IR remotes and decode their signals to perform specific functions. Thank you for watching.